This is one of the best digital products I've found on Etsy, and it's also one of the games I'm confident will generate a lot of sales. It's a fun activity for kids while also being educational, and that's exactly what makes it so valuable. If you look at the top left corner, you'll notice this seller has earned the Best Seller badge. That means they've been generating a high number of sales over the past 6 months. This seller is currently offering this product for about $2.50. And if we scroll down just a little, you'll see that it's a digital product, which is exactly what we're interested in because our goal is to create and sell digital products. Now let's take a closer look at the product images. You'll notice that this game uses a flashlight, and that's what makes it so interactive and exciting for kids. Watch this example carefully so you can fully understand how the game works. The child simply receives 4 printable pages. One page contains jars, while another page contains different insects. The child glues the page with the jars on top of the page with the insects. Then, each jar is cut out individually. There are also 2 additional pages, and each jar hides a different insect underneath. The goal is to match each hidden insect with the correct one. As you can see in this video, after gluing the 2 sheets together, the child uses a flashlight to reveal the insect hidden underneath the blue jar. Then, the child places the blue jar on top of the matching insect. I hope the idea makes perfect sense now, because it's actually a very clever, engaging, and educational activity for children. Now, to create a product just like this, let's jump straight into Canva. If you're planning to dive into the world of selling digital products, whether on Etsy, Amazon, or your own store, I strongly recommend that you get my special bundle. This bundle honestly took us months of work to prepare so it could reach this level of quality. It contains around 80 books, each one with about 30 pages, and it includes every type of book you might need, even the exact product we're explaining in this video. You'll find multiple versions of it inside the bundle. You can resell these books, and you'll also receive all the Canva links so you can edit them, redesign them however you like, or even combine them together, because everything was designed in the same style. This is a huge advantage you won't find in any other bundle. Over 7 years of experience in selling digital products is packed into this collection, so don't hesitate to get it. It will help you massively on your journey in the digital products business for years to come. You'll find it in the pinned comment. We'll create a brand new design using 11 by 8.5 inch dimensions. The first page will be our jar page. We want it to look clean, organized, and easy to use, so we'll add a table layout. I'll go to the Elements tab, then search for Table. After that, I'll insert the table onto the page. I want to fit 20 jars on this page, so I'll increase the number of table cells to 24. Then I'll reduce the border thickness of the table to 1 so the lines look much cleaner. After that, I'll resize the table until it fills the entire page, just like this. Next, I'll place 1 jar inside each table cell. I'll search for jar, choose the design I like the most, resize it, and position it neatly inside each cell like this. Next, my friend, the second page will be our insect page. All I have to do is open ChatGPT and ask it to generate a list of 25 kid-friendly insects. Then I'll search for each insect one by one. For example, the first insect is a butterfly. I'll go to the Elements tab, search for butterfly, choose the illustration I like the most, and place it inside the first cell. After that, I'll go back to ChatGPT, copy the second insect on the list, which is ladybug, then return to Canva, search for the best ladybug illustration that I like, and place it inside the second cell. I'll continue repeating this exact process until every insect has been added to the grid. To save time in this tutorial, I've already added 12 insects. However, you'll need to finish filling the entire grid yourself, which means you should end up with 24 different insects in total. And just like that, we've successfully completed both the first page and the second page. Now let's move on to the third page. All I have to do is go back to the first page, copy one of the jars, and paste it onto the third page. Then I'll click Ask Canva and ask it to give me the exact same jar, but without any color. I want it to be completely white. Canva will automatically generate it in just a few seconds using AI, creating the exact same jar, but this time in white. Then I'll copy that white jar several times until this page contains 12 white jars. Next, my friend, to make this activity educational for kids, I'll simply press the T key on my keyboard to add a text box to the page. Then, underneath each jar, I'll type the name of the insect that belongs to that jar. It's really that simple. All you have to do is place the name of each insect below one of these white jars. After that, we'll go back to the second page that contains all the insects, copy each insect, and place it inside the matching white jar on the third page. I want every single insect to be inside its own jar. For example, the first jar contains a butterfly, and underneath it, I'll write the word butterfly. Then I'll continue the same process until every insect has been placed inside its matching jar. When you first look at this project, it might seem a little difficult, but after designing it together, step by step, you'll realize it's actually much easier than it looks. Now let's see how the child will play the game. The child will cut out all the jars from the first page, then glue them on top of the insects on the second page. After that, they'll use a flashlight to reveal the hidden insect underneath. For example, if the first jar reveals a butterfly, the child will go to the third page and place that jar with the butterfly hidden behind it on top of the jar labeled butterfly. Then they'll continue doing the same thing with every other insect. This way, my friend, the child has fun while also learning the names of different insects in an interactive and engaging way. Once you've finished creating everything, simply download the activity as a PDF file. I really hope you found this project helpful and learned something new from it. On my channel, I teach you how to design digital products and make money selling them online. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.